Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Miller Motorcars Bentley Greenwich video. My name is Nick Scheppa, Bentley sales specialist here at Miller Motorcars, and today we have our 2022 Bentley Continental GT Speed finished in glacier white with hot spur interior and a ton of great options inside this car. Holy Alcantara. Welcome inside the cabin of the 22 GT Speed. For starters, let me say I love the Alcantara. It's made to hold you in the seat better at higher speeds because then again we have 650 horsepower now. Awesome. Our color is hot spur and we have beluga secondary hide with an awesome carbon fiber veneer. This car screams, get me on the track and drive me fast. And I'm excited to show it with you, and let's take it for a drive. We are in Bentley mode. Yes, the shifts have been improved to be sportier inside this car. With the limited slip differential, we're going to reduce the body roll inside this car. Coming up ahead, we have a nice right turn here. Now this car is still over 5,000 pounds and very heavy. However, with the limited slip differential and torque vectoring, rear wheel steering, it's all made to improve the handling, the agility inside this car. But the real mode for me is sport mode, which can be changed on the fly. That's going to open up your exhaust note. The car is going to sound a lot more and just overall excited to go fast. So we're taking this hard left here. You can just see the front of the car is completely planted and straight. So the shift points are a lot faster too. So you'll notice that this is the 8-speed double clutch transmission. But when you're comparing it to, let's say, driving the V8 or the 12-cylinder, the shift points are a lot faster inside this car. Now we have 650 horsepower compared to the predecessor 12-cylinder, which was 626 horsepower. Still the same torque, which is 664 foot-pounds. It's giving us a 0 to 60 under 4 seconds. Once again, for a car that is well over 5,000 pounds. It just feels so much lighter. You forget that we have all that extra weight on the car. We're driving on 22-inch wheels with the all-season tires. You can drive on these year-round. Rain, snow, does not matter. This car is built to be a daily driver. So for an extra $50,000, is the Speed worth it? That's what you have to ask yourself. And it all depends the type of driver you are. If you're used to Bentley's 12 cylinders, this just gets better. They reworked this whole suspension. And they actually did. You can feel it when you're driving, when you're making left, when you're making right turns. And for example, we're on these back roads in beautiful Greenwich right now, and this car, effortless driving, you don't realize how heavy it is at all. It feels like you're driving a 3,000 pound car that you can just throw on these curves like no problem. And to mention, you have the massage seats that keep you comfortable at the same time. So in my opinion, the Speed coming with Alcantara inside the car, coming with optional carbon ceramic rotors on a Bentley, carbon ceramic rotors. It's pretty awesome. And then you have aesthetic things like the Speed badging that's on the veneer. Exterior on the car, you have the nice Speed badging there. You have specially designed 22-inch Speed wheels. Standard, the car will always come in the dark tint gray, dark tint wheel with the upper and lower grills. This one we option for the black line specification. I think it plays well off the glacier white, and the black line makes it that much sportier. And then when you enter the cabin, all this hot spur and Alcantara work really well. So if you're looking for Bentley's quickest 0 to 60 car, or overall smoothest experience on the road, the GT Speed is for you. My name is Nick Scheppa, Bentley sales specialist, and I'm happy to help. For now, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this drive.